Yo, what's going on? It's Steve Braden here, and guess what I'm gonna do today, I got 6 cans of Coke, and I'm gonna shotgun them with a key, and it's gonna be my first time doing that shit. Thumbnail. That's a thumbnail picture, motherfucker. The time for a shotgun right now, bitch. It's my first time doing it with a key here, and let's see if this is gonna work on those cans. Hope I don't make a mess on my shirt. Let's get it away from my shirt. Put a potato bed. Eyes watering, holy shit. Eyes watering. This is shit. My finger. I like to stand here outside with a shotgun. Standing right here in the fucking cold. Yes, in the fucking cold. Those are extra carbonated. Like, what the fuck, right? So fucking carbonated. Like, yeah, I feel like shit today. Come on. And it just got over my shirt here. I try to get this motherfucking Coke thing away from me. Man, it's kind of fucking slippery. Like, who fucking cares? Who fucking cares? Oh, fuck. Last one. Way better than the Krakens. Right. Why the fuck do I use a platinum or a Kraken to shotgun when I can use keys? When I can use some keys to shotgun. And I can't even use my fucking thumb to shotgun a fucking can of Coke. What the hell? Like, why the dick can I use a key when I use a Kraken and a platinum to shotgun a fucking can of soda or energy drinks? That's fucking ridiculous. So, last one. I'm trying to get this away from me. Man, this is not gonna fucking work. Let's try this. Here. Oh. Shit. Oh, shit. Man, that's fucking rough. So, last one, motherfucker. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Fuck. I'm tired. Ooh. That was it, guys. So that was the 6 cans of Coke. Shotgun. And my nose is kind of snotty. And I'm growing a beard on my fucking face. Growing a fucking beard. And I got to pick those motherfuckers up before I be in fucking trouble for littering. Because littering is sometimes a crime. And I got some Coke cans right there that are mine, that are damaged here. Because when my uncle comes, he's going to steal them because he loves Coke. My actual uncle, he loves Coke. And some that are not damaged because when I was taking them out of the deck, 2 of those, oh, that one fell and this one kind of fell. And peace out, bitch. See you tomorrow for the energy drink video. So, peace out. Bye-bye.